yeah, we've been going to some bluegrass festivals the last few years, and we've run onto these guys 2 or 3 times, and they're always fabulous. They have great tight harmonies. You're not going to be disappointed. The band's been together about 35 years. What I say, I think Mike, the one on the end down here, I think he started when he was like 6 years old. No, I don't know. Anyway, they're from the northeastern Oklahoma area. Most of them are from around there. We run onto them in Arkansas pretty regularly when we go up there to bluegrass festivals. But thank y'all so much for coming out. If you like what you hear tonight and you want to support these guys more, they've got a table set up in the back where they're selling t-shirts and CDs and stuff. And that's kind of the gas money that gets them up and down the road. And I appreciate y'all, visiting with them about that if that's something that interests you. Anyway, without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, SpringStreet.
Thank you. I'll take this. Oh, okay. Don't start singing. That's a dirty trick.
Well, it costs money.
I didn't like it, Bill.
Here you go.
Everybody, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There's a little black train coming, better get your business right. Little black train coming, maybe here tonight. We're going to tell the ballroom ladies, all dressed in worldly pride, there's a little black train coming, and maybe here tonight. There's a little black train coming, better get your business right. Little black train coming, maybe here tonight. Oh yeah, yeah. God spoke to Hezekiah with a message from on high. Better get your house in order, you will surely die. There's a little black train coming, better get your business right. Little black train coming, maybe here tonight. Well, Hezekiah turned to the wall, wept with bitter tears. God sent the prophet that he added 15 years. There's a little black train coming, better get your business right. Little black train coming, maybe here tonight. You see the big black engine, one small man's car. With your idle thoughts, your wicked deeds, you stop at just a bar. There's a little black train coming, you better get your business right. Little black train coming, maybe here tonight. There's a little black train coming, you better get your business right. A little black train coming, maybe here tonight. Have y'all been singing along with that other group tonight? Well, if so, we'd like you to sing with us too. That's what we're here for, right? Yeah. Y'all will know this one. It's probably in your hymn book. I don't know which page it would be. You can sing it with us. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is thine, leaning on the everlasting arms. I'm leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning, I'm leaning on the everlasting in